how to add your clients section to your website homepage on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Wix. This is the homepage. Now go to the top right here, click on add and click section to page, and now go right here, scroll down until you find clients option. Click on it and choose a template. For example, let's say I'm gonna choose this one. Click on it and wait a few seconds. Now as you can see, the clients, as you can see, it's ready, and you can now add your clients from here. It's so easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.